Let's play game. Can you fix them? Okay. Are you ready? Let's go. First head. 1, 2, 3, 4. Which ones? No. No. Yes, you are right. Second head. 1, 2, 3, 4. Which ones? No. Yes, perfect. Third head. 1, 2, 3, 4. Which ones? No. Yes, you're right. Last head. 1, 2, 3, 4. Which ones? Yes, perfect. Can you play again?